Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 10 foods that, if consumed improperly or in large quantities, can pose serious health risks and potentially lead to death, along with detailed explanations of why they can be dangerous. 1. Fugu, pufferfish. Why? Fugu, a delicacy in Japanese cuisine, contains tetrodotoxin, a potent neurotoxin found primarily in its liver, ovaries, and skin. If not expertly prepared by a licensed chef trained in removing the toxic parts, ingestion of even a small amount of tetrodotoxin can cause paralysis, respiratory failure, and death within hours. 2. Raw shellfish. Why? Raw or undercooked shellfish, including oysters, clams, and mussels, can harbor harmful bacteria, viruses, or toxins, particularly if harvested from contaminated waters. Consumption of contaminated shellfish can lead to severe foodborne illnesses such as norovirus, Vibrio infections, and hepatitis A, which can be fatal in vulnerable individuals. 3. Cassava. Why? Cassava, a staple food in many tropical regions, contains cyanogenic glycosides, which can release cyanide when ingested. Improper processing or cooking of cassava, especially in poorly ventilated spaces, can lead to cyanide poisoning, resulting in symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, convulsions, and even death. 4. Ackee fruit. Why? The ackee fruit, native to West Africa and commonly consumed in Jamaican cuisine, contains hypoglycin A and hypoglycin B. Ingesting unripe or improperly prepared ackee fruit can lead to Jamaican vomiting sickness, characterized by symptoms such as vomiting, seizures, and coma, which can be fatal if not treated promptly. 5. Rhubarb leaves. Why? While the stalks of rhubarb are commonly used in cooking and baking, the leaves contain oxalic acid and other toxic compounds. Ingesting large quantities of rhubarb leaves can lead to symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and convulsions, with severe cases potentially resulting in death. 6. Cherry pits and apple seeds. Why? Cherry pits and apple seeds contain amygdalin, a cyanogenic glycoside that can release cyanide when metabolized. While the amount of cyanide released from consuming a few seeds or pits is usually not enough to cause harm in adults, ingestion of large quantities could lead to cyanide poisoning, which can be fatal. 7. Unripe or sprouted potatoes. Why? Unripe green potatoes and potatoes that have begun to sprout contain solanine and other toxic glycoalkaloids. Ingesting these compounds in large amounts can lead to symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and neurological effects, which can be fatal in severe cases. 8. Elderberries. Why? Raw elderberries and their seeds contain cyanogenic glycosides, which can release cyanide when ingested. While cooking elderberries can deactivate the toxins, consuming them raw can lead to cyanide poisoning, causing symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and respiratory distress, which can be fatal if not treated promptly. 9. Nutmeg. Why? Nutmeg contains myristicin, a compound that can cause hallucinations, delirium, seizures, and other neurological effects when consumed in large doses. Ingesting excessive amounts of nutmeg can lead to nutmeg poisoning, which, while rarely fatal, can be extremely unpleasant and potentially dangerous. 10. Raw honey, infants. Why? While honey is generally safe for adults, infants under 1 year of age should not consume raw honey due to the risk of infant botulism. Honey can contain spores of Clostridium botulinum bacteria, which can grow and produce toxins in a baby's immature digestive system, leading to potentially life-threatening botulism poisoning. These examples underscore the importance of proper food handling, preparation, and consumption to avoid potential health risks associated with certain foods. It's crucial to be aware of any potential hazards and take appropriate precautions to ensure food safety and minimize the risk of adverse health effects. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe.